CEWEP is the Confederation of European Waste-to-Energy plants, representing the operators of more than 400 plants from 23 countries. They are public and private waste management companies, and their everyday job is to treat the waste from European citizens. Waste that is not good enough for recycling. How? It is incinerated and energy is recovered. It goes to the electricity grid or to district heating to heat people's home. Or they produce process steam, which can be used by the nearby industry. Additionally, they recycle metals from the bottom ash, the leftover from the incineration process. And from the mineral part, the mineral part can be used for construction purposes to replace primary raw materials such as gravel and sand. Well, there are many challenges ahead for the waste-to-energy sectors. They are mainly linked to energy, climate and environmental legislation. A very important one is to achieve a clean circular economy, keeping waste that can be recycled or recovered for energy generation away from landfills, and to build and connect district heating networks so that the energy produced from waste-to-energy can be used efficiently. And of course, one of the most important topics to achieve climate neutrality. And there are multiple projects in the pipeline by waste-to-energy plants to capture carbon for use or storage. But in order to create a business case, we need incentives and reliable regulatory frameworks. And of course, the sector cannot do it alone. There's an overarching need to create new business models and to cooperate with other industries to achieve industrial symbiosis. Technologies for waste-to-energy cover efficient energy recovery and resource recovery, metal recycling, for instance, and pollution abatement. These technologies have been optimized throughout the last decades, but remain important. Now the sector is looking into carbon capture and use to produce new products, chemicals, e-fuels, or carbon storage. And there's another technology the waste-to-energy sector is looking at, which is interesting for the sector, and that's hydrogen production from waste-to-energy. Well, ENZA is great for cooperation. We all share the common goal to achieve climate neutrality, to use energy and resources efficiently, to enhance system integration across different sectors, and joining forces, of course, helps to achieve what we commonly are aiming for. An integral implementation of the Green Deal legislation. Now the puzzle seems to be scattered, and we need to put the pieces together to move away from a silo-based approach, and we need to implement energy, environmental and climate legislation following the logic of integration.